In this video, I want to show you an electronic device that, when connected to a water pump, can greatly help increase the water pressure in your home. What is this device called? It's a pressure control switch, also known as a press control. The pressure is actually generated by the pump itself. What this device does is simply turn the pump on or off depending on the water usage. You can install this device along with a water pump either at the outlet of an elevated tank or directly from a ground-level water tank. It also has a very interesting feature. It protects the pump in case of a water shortage. If the tank that supplies the pump runs out of water, this device detects the lack of water and automatically shuts off the pump. This protects the pump from damage, since water pumps cannot run dry. That's why this device is used not only to protect your pump, but also to boost the water pressure in your home. However, keep in mind, when you increase the water pressure in your home, your pipes will be under higher stress. If you have very old pipes, they could potentially get damaged. How does this device work? When powered on, the device detects if someone opens a faucet or if there is any water demand, and it activates the pump to boost water pressure throughout the system. When the faucet is closed or the water consumption stops, the water pressure in the outlet pipe starts to rise until it reaches a maximum pressure level. Once that pressure is detected, the controller shuts off the pump, keeping your entire water system pressurized. Basically, whenever someone opens a faucet or uses water, the pressure drops. The controller senses this drop and turns the pump back. On it, continuously monitors water usage, switching the pump on and off depending on the demand. One important reminder, this pressure controller has a maximum current capacity, in this case, 8 amps. And it's important not to exceed this limit to avoid damaging the device. This is a very good solution in areas where water pressure is low. In our demonstration, we simulated water usage with this valve and this shower head, but in a real home. It would be your faucet's bathroom or any other water consumption point. The right pump for your installation should be calculated based on the number of simultaneous water usages and the water flow needed. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time.